Hi.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi. Did you like this?
Yes.
Did you see Pretty?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
There is a falls here.
Yes, it's right there.
What
Yeah.
park is this, my love?
This is Summer Falls.
Oh, okay. Nice, guys.
Yeah.
Kami lang tao dito sa park na to. Yan. Ang ganda ng falls doon, guys. Ang init.
Nice. And as you can see, it's really crowded.
Nice.
Hello everybody, this is Banks Lake. Lots of good fish in here. I've got lots of walleye, bass, trout, yeah, out of here. Very nice. We used to go up here with my brother whenever he was still alive, up at the other end every 4th of July and camp and fish and have fun. Nice.
Ang ganda ng view, guys, oh. Nice. Mayroon nag-fishing there. Oh, look, guys. Mag-asawa. Ang linaw ng tubig. Yan, oh. Ang ganda ng trees. Nagmamadali si Kano. Oh, may ibon. Ayan. Tingnan nyo, guys, yung falls. Ang ganda. Ayan siya. Ang daming ano dito, lakes sa Washington State. Ang galing naman. Ayan. Ano nila dito, park.
See what it says? She's fishing.
Fishing. There's a shadow, my love.
Where? park over here in the shade, sweetie. But I just wanted to drive around so you could see. See, that's where we came from up there.
Out there.
Yeah, we was up on top. And here's the bathroom. You want to go pee pee?
Yeah. I want to.
Dry side.